Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 21st of May and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for all those children who've been working so hard throughout this week. So really well done. When you see them, give them a massive cheer in your classes please, because they absolutely deserve it. Come on, let's start with, Mr. Pinner's stars. Look at this. Our times table rock star top players. These are top of the leaderboard. Look at these guys. So we've got Claudia, we've got Botan, we've got Ruben, Alana, Dexter, Rhea, Amelia and Sienna. Rock stars, superstars. Well done with your times tables, guys. Keep that up because actually it's showing in your work, in all the maths that you're doing, using your times tables. It's absolutely showing that you are doing it. So well done. Fantastic on that leaderboard as well. So keep it up. Moving on, Mr. Ackerman shout out for hard workers and quiet listeners, learners. So quiet learners, getting on, just quietly getting on, doing all of their work every single day. So we've got Daniel, we've got Alfie Jack, we've got Beren, we've got Cleo, Heather, Tilly, Ruby, Tyler, Thea, Bailey, Jack, Marshall, Willow, Elia and Jack. Look at that. You absolute superstars. They are working so hard and just getting on quietly. It's fantastic to see. It's fantastic to see their work as well, the amount of work that they are doing. Huge cheer for those children, so really well done, you year threes. Keep it up. Moving on, look at this. Miss White's year threes. Look, these children have 100% positive points on Class Jojo this term. Absolutely, just positive points right the way through. And that's what I keep saying. All the way through this half term. It's amazing. So we've got Emily Ann, we've got Joseph, we've got Eric, Charlemagne, Max, Mahir, Esme, Eva, Milana, and Millie. You absolute superstars. Thank you so much from Mr. Allen. You just make my job much easier. 100% is brilliant. Keep it up, guys, and everyone should be cheering you and giving you a clap and watching you and copying your behaviour. So really well done, you year threes. Thank you. Moving on. Miss Arthurston superstars, look at this. For working hard in every lesson and always making the right choices. I can ask for no more. Amelia, Milana, Sophia, Ashton, Brooklyn, Freya, Lily, Kieran, Amelia, Joe and Ruben. Give them a massive cheer, please, guys. Come on. Because these guys deserve it because they are amazing every single day. Well done. Thank you. Moving on. Miss Muswhites, look at this. For getting their highest score yet in their arithmetic paper last week. And I know these guys have been working so hard on their maths to try and improve their scores. Come on then. We've got Courtney, Kenzie, Harley, Goda, Janisa, Aston, Bart, Amelia, Calvin, Bianca, Oliver, Josh, Deanna and Nadia. You mathematician wizards, well done. Hopefully everyone is cheering you now and giving you a massive clap in class as well, aren't you? Come on. Yes, thought so. Well done, you year fives. Keep it up and thank you. Moving on. Miss Barrett's Spelling Shed and Times Table Rockstar enthusiasts. So these are the guys as well who've been on the Spelling Shed and Times Table Rockstar, getting better at their spellings, getting better at their times tables. Fantastic. We've got Reese, we've got Eliza, we've got Kobe, we've got Reggie, Riley, Racer, Alicia and Jessica. You superstars. Jessica even completing reading records as well. Liza onto her third reading record as well. Must give them a shout out as well. So really well done, you year fours. Let's keep it up. Massive smiles as well. So keep smiling as well. It's brilliant. Thank you, year fours. Well done. Here we go. Look at this. Mr. Davison. Wonderful writing in English. Really is, especially from these guys. They are phenomenal and it's brilliant to read. So well done. So we've got Amelia, Emily, Mason, Tedas, Nassim, Ruby, Scarlett, Neve, Connor, Ellie, Summer, Danielle, Leon, Sophie, Nellas, Harlow and Katie. You absolute superstars. Hopefully some of you are going to be authors when you're older, hey? Because you've been amazing writing and really impressing Mr. Davison. So really well done. Massive cheer to you all. Well done. Miss Percy's star workers, look at this. For excellent RE work and impressing Mr. Coleman. Hey, it's not an easy thing to do if you're impressing Mr. Coleman, so well done, you guys. So we've got Lewis, we've got Edric, we've got Dominic, and we've got Cody, and then we've got Miriam and Cassandra as well. Well done, you guys. Huge cheer, massive cheer. I know Mr. Coleman will have a big smile on his face now because I know how difficult it is to impress him. So really well done, guys. Fantastic. Well done to everyone this morning. It's amazing to see you still working so hard. We've got one more week to go. Next week, hopefully we'll see some of you up here for presentation assembly and getting certificates. So until then, everyone, bye-bye now.